In today's episode, Helen will be preparing two dishes that could well be defined as classic comfort foods. A pasta dish, plus the world's most popular sandwich. A surefire belly-busting combo.
Hi! Another day for sharing some of my recipes. And for today, we will be preparing two dishes na paborito ng aking dalawang magulo at makulit na guests. Bata pa lang sila, magkaibigan na. They share common tastes in a lot of things, including food. For sure, medyo riot ang ating episode for today. Welcome to my playground. In all my years as a wife, mother, and friend, I have one special way of showing my love, and that's through food. I love cooking for the special people in my life. At maswerte ako, kasi for many generations in my family, maraming unique recipes ang binigay ng lola ko sa nanay at ipinasa rin ng nanay ko sa akin. Now, I want to share some of them with you. Ako si Helen Gamboa Soto at kasama ang aking kitchen angel na si Tez. I have some special dishes for you with lots of love from Helen's Kitchen. Helping me out today are two people very close to my heart. Welcome to my kitchen, my daughter Ciara, and my parangsang ko na rin, Rafa Sigion Reyna.
Hi, Mom!
Hi, Mama Helen.
Wow.
Hello.
Mama.
Oh,
Wow! She can do it better than us.
believe naman ako. Rafa, parang tayo nasa New York.
She can do it better than us.
Yes, oo. Hi, Rafa. Oh, thanks for coming. Rafa, when you were studying in the States, nagluluto ka ba?
Hindi po.
Doon ako ni Shara. Actually, yes, nagluluto ako doon.
Ano?
Kasi mga iba-ibang pasta.
To impress girls, Mom.
Actually, nung college ako kasi I wanted to learn how to cook. Kasi ang sabi sa akin ng nanay ko that
Wow.
it really impresses girls. So,
Oh,
at the time, I learned how to cook. Because, di ba, parang, hey, you're making me something so sweet.
Okay. Nagluluto ka, okay? Eh, ang mami mo,
Ah, yes, pag
ano,
na magluto.
oh yes, I know, she cooks. Pero, ano yung mga paborito niya?
Well, of course, yung Christmas tuyo niya, every Christmas,
Oh, yes,
ipapadala
yes.
siya ng
We
I
get
love
that
that.
Very
every
famous
year talaga.
Christmas tuyo.
Totoo, yes.
And I can't live without that every Christmas.
No,
Wow.
did you hear that,
Grabe.
Viviana? Well, Shara also lived in the States for a while. Anak, nagluluto ka ba doon?
Pag kailangan lang po. Pag wala nang choice, pag wala nang makain. Pero, dun ko natutunan yun na
Yes.
lutuin yung yung adobo flakes. You know
Okay.
why? Kasi niluto ko yung adobo, tapos iniwan ko, nakipaglaro na ako sa mga friends ko. Tapos
Oo.
naiwan ko na, lagas na yung buto. Sabi ko, oh my God.
Tsaka di ba tumatagal yung adobo?
Yun na nga, so matagal na siya
Yes.
wala na yung
Oo.
bones, naging flakes na siya. I mean, talaga, natunaw talaga. So, inalis ko na lang yung bones.
Yes, you know, when I would visit Ciara, ang lagi niyang pinapaluto sa akin is this dish that we will be preparing today.
Yes.
Baked
Baked macaroni.
That's her
Baked mac?
favorite.
Yeah, iluluto niya yun for me. If she'll visit me in the States, lulutuin niya na yun. Tapos, I'll just freeze it and then eat it for like weeks.
Okay, so
Microwave ko na lang.
we have here our ingredients.
Macaroni, cut macaroni.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Ground beef, red bell pepper,
There.
mushroom, tomato sauce,
There you are.
onions, garlic,
There.
laurel, laurel leaves, cheese, vegetable oil, and brown sugar.
Teka, alam mo, talagang ang gulo niyong dalawa.
Inasal ko siya sa
Quiet.
laurel,
Olive oil.
olive oil.
Okay, so let's get
Oh, tinan mo. Ano ba? Teka, parang musical.
Knock-knock
Oh,
ngayon.
Teka. You wanna get
Yes,
started?
let's start.
Okay. So, let's start.
We'll chop the red
Yes,
bell.
let's chop.
Okay, I can do that.
Ano ba?
Okay. Marunong ka ba?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Gusto mo umiyak?
Chop na ba to?
And then, that's it. Take the seeds out. Yeah, that's it. Oh, dito ka, Rafa.
Kailangan alisin yung seed.
Oh, here.
Gusto ko umiyak eh.
Okay, while we're doing this,
Dali,
let's
Tess.
boil the pasta.
Yeah, but you have to do it
Nakakaloka.
faster. Rafa,
Ganyan dapat.
iho, like this. And make sure
Kailangan.
you're away. It's like this. Okay, cut it.
Okay.
Hindi ganyan. Nandyan yan. Oh, careful
Okay.
not to cut your
Hindi, okay
fingers.
So, nalaman lang ng lahat ng
Okay.
viewers natin na hindi ako marunong
Yes, we have water here.
Yeah.
Okay, we have water here already.
Ito ba?
So,
Tama ba to?
we put in our cut macaroni para put it here. No. Back. We will boil it.
Ay, isang ginano.
Ganun.
Okay. This will be boiled for something like 20
20
minutes. Okay. Tess, yung ladle.
Angel test.
Yes.
Ladle. What is ladle in Tagalog?
Sandok.
Sandok. Bata ba yung sa kanya?
Yeah. That's right. You know why? Okay na yan. Kasi pagka ginigisa na yan, naghihiwa-hiwalay na yan. See? So it becomes smaller.
Pero ayoko maghiwalay.
Wow, hugot.
Asan yung ano natin? Yeah, the pan.
Ito gusto kong liwala.
Oo. Can you get it? There.
May ganong knife.
Okay. Set this aside. Para yung mga lahat na look at here. Put it here.
Ano yan?
Ayun ko pala.
Okay. Or are you honest? These are
Here.
too long.
Ay, hindi pa tapos pala. Sorry.
No, you know,
Mahaba
should
siya.
do this way.
Okay.
That's
Yabang
the
mo.
way.
Mali,
Do
mali.
it.
Oh. Kaya ako may
There
two
you
options
are.
eh, di ba?
There.
Ang option na ganito.
So you have to cut it
I have it.
with it. Yan. Okay? So,
Okay.
magsasaute na tayo. Ha?
Okay.
Okay.
Sa
Siguro about.
All you need.
That's it. You know what? This is how you do it. See, so it's easier. Ganon. See? There. Alright.
Pinagsatawa na naman.
Ayun lang si Maduro
So,
ng kamay niya.
instead of putting this first, ito muna. Kasi,
Onions first before the garlic.
onions muna. Kasi, madaling masunog ang garlic. So, while this one is boiling, ito na muna. Okay?
Okay, onions
Ayan.
first. Ito na lang.
There.
Ito, kailangan ni-slice.
After a while, ilalagay mo yung kalahati ng garlic. Or
Half
or
lang?
more.
Not
Less
for
is
this.
more.
Oo, lahat.
Less is more.
Yes. Some more. Yeah, half of it. Yan.
Ano?
There.
Bango.
The next will be mushrooms. Chopped mushrooms.
Sino chop rin po to?
Yeah,
Well,
that's it.
nakakabili naman
Yeah.
ng canned
Chopped already.
Nakakabili po ng canned mushrooms, di ba, na nakachop?
But I prefer that
Nalagay ko na.
we have it this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
Pangtamad lang yung sa akin.
Sige.
Pangtamad lang yung pag binili sa
Yeah, you can pour.
With the whole thing.
Oh, yan, the whole thing. Sige.
Don't be scared.
Yan,
Are you
ganyan,
scared?
Rafa.
Iyak ako
Good.
sa-
Bawal magkamali kay Mami eh.
Di ba sinishake to?
Sige nga, shake.
You
Ang
can-
bigat.
You
Diba
can,
ang bigat
magkakaroon
na.
ng splatter yung
Oh,
Ah.
splatter mo sa kanya.
Di ba yung mga chef kasi pag
No.
nag-cook sila gumagana sila?
Hindi pwede yan.
Hindi
It's
pwede?
pretty heavy.
Okay.
just, yan, one at a time, yan.
Matatansinan tayo.
Hindi, yan, dahan-dahan. When that happens, pagka lumalakas yung pagkano, yung pilangsik,
Yeah.
eto medyo hinain yan. Hinaan natin.
Okay.
Mm.
Yung
Yes.
apoy.
The next would
Mush-
be ground beef.
Mushrooms kasi matagal maluto.
Oo,
Sit pa siya.
yan. Tapos yung scared.
Scared
Ang
matasikan.
bango, nababangon ako.
Scared siya matasikan, ma.
No.
Nababangon ako.
Yan.
Should have prepared it kanina.
This here?
Okay.
Yeah, just in case.
Just in case, but I don't think it's ano.
Ayan. Ayan,
Maybe
para
put this
nagtitilamsik siya. Hinaan niya ng konti. Tapos, yan. Haluin mo yan. Okay? Oh. Pwede mo na ilagay yung ground beef. Yan. Sige. There.
Wow!
Yeah. Okay.
Yummers.
Hold it here. Para pantay ang halo.
Okay.
What?
Yeah.
Siguro naman
Some
kita.
more. Some more. Okay,
Feeling
go.
ko wala akong
Yeah.
silbi.
Yan. Tingnan nyo, hanggang parang maluluto na.
Slowly.
Which case, no.
Bilisan.
Yan. Nilakasan ko na naman yung apoy para madali. Okay. Don't forget the laurel leaf.
Okay.
Ay, don't
Ay.
forget the laurel leaf.
So,
Kasi
Will you behave?
laurel.
napapagalit.
Okay. Kasi sa pagluluto, you have to really focus on what you're doing. Lalo na yung food na niluluto mo. Yan, katulad yan. Yan, you just keep on, yan, there. Yan, tapos, pwede rin natin silang
Takpan.
ipahinga o takpan na muna natin.
Matagal pa po daw.
Wow.
Yan. Yeah. Kasi this takes about 20 minutes. There you are. Malapit na lang yan. Okay. Oh. Halo na naman tayo ng konti. Yan.
Shara, nung nasa States ka, sa dami-dami ng pagkain, bakit ito yung pinaka-naminis mo?
Kasi bata pa lang ako, mom would cook that night. And it has carbs and protein already. So yun na talaga yung meal ko.
So,
Yun na yung kinakain
okay
ko.
din siya as a health option
Yeah.
kasi kumpleto siya eh.
Oo, may carbs, may protein,
Okay.
tapos mushroom. And para pag uwi niya, maalala ko pa din siya. Yay!
Love diba?
Ay, of course, let's put salt and oil here. Sa ano? Sa pasta.
Yan.
Salt and oil. Just a little, right, Mom? Para hindi siya
Sige.
magdikit-dikit.
Sige.
Oh!
Okay. Okay. Ayos na.
So pag kinakain na yung finished product, ano dito yung pinaka-favorite ingredient mo, Shara?
Cheese!
Cheese?
Yes, I put extra cheese pa nga.
Hindi pa natin na...
Salt. Angel's asking, I have salt, please. Just a pinch.
That's enough.
But ganun.
Yeah. Okay, cover it again. There you are. Now, you can put in
Cheese?
the tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce.
Yes.
Oh.
Everything.
Everything?
Yes. Wow.
Sayang yung natira.
Let me do this. Ano yung mga this? Okay. Okay.
Almost done.
Yes. Okay, nandito na yung ating tomato sauce. Everything is here.
Yes.
When we return, we will continue preparing our baked mac. This on from Helen's Kitchen.
Up next, from Helen's Kitchen.
Now, the last I'll put in is our red bell pepper.
You put it last.
Para noon, ma-preserve yung pagka-crispiness
May
niya. Oh, it's still crunchy.
Yeah.
God, nagugutom na ako. Go, Shara, go!
Okay,
Go,
big.
Shara, go!
Yung malaki na lang.
Kasi you're so
Total,
cheesy.
Oh, I am cheesy.
Helen, paano ko nagiging patient ang bango ng pagkain? Kung ako nagluluto ko, kinakain ko na.
Hindi pa nabibake, kakainin niya na.
Okay, we are back from Helen's Kitchen. And of course, Shara and Rafa are helping me out. Rafa, did you really want to enter showbiz even as a child?
Actually, when I was a kid, feeling ko napipilitan lang ako. Kasi ang kinukulit ako ng nanay ko eh.
Kasi,
Mahiyaan ako dati.
yeah, but I don't want to forget saying na kasi iniisip ko lang, meron bang pressure kasi your parents are
Yeah.
two stalwarts in the industry. So,
Um,
how did you handle it?
actually, kasi nung bata ako, gusto ko maging basketball player.
Oh,
Pero yung mom ko kasi, love na love niya yung entertainment.
yes.
So, pinupush niya ako maging artista. Pag nasa party kami, pinapagaya niya ako mga ibang tao, pinapakanta ako, pinapasayaw. Tapos eventually, nung gumraduate na ako, I felt na wala naman ako magagawa sa buhay.
Stage
Stage mother!
Diba?
Anyway, joke lang. Wait, don't forget na lalagyan to ng konting
Brown.
asukal, no? The
Helen,
brown
saan mo
sugar.
nakuha
You know
yun?
why? You know why I do this? Kasi kung minsan, pag nilagay na natin yung sauce, no? Let's say yung tomato sauce or what have you, di ba? Whatever. Parang masyadong maasim. Para i-balance ngayon,
Yeah.
nilalagyan ko ng
Sugar.
konting sugar.
Saan mo
And,
nakakuha yung recipe? Like, where did you get inspiration for the recipe?
with this, myself. You know why?
I told you.
Kasi when you eat out, syempre, kumakain ka ng ganyan. The first time, I tried it na parang in-order ko. Tapos sabi ko, after I tasted it, sabi ko parang mai-improve ko pa to ha. So that's how it started.
Okay.
Oo. Now, the last we I'll put in is our red bell pepper.
So,
Yan.
you put it last para may
Yes,
matigas-tigas
kasi
pa siya
pag
actually.
para noon, ma-preserve yung
May
pagka-crispiness niya, it's still crunchy.
Ah, yeah, kasi we're still
Oo.
gonna bake it.
Kasi pag niligay mo yan kaagad, mag-overcook.
Okay.
So, malalanta na siya. Now, ayan, konting ito. Tapos na.
Yung salt, kasi pag ako nagluluto, minsan hindi ako sure kung gaano karaming salt ilalagay ko. Naghuhula lang talaga ako. How do you time the amount of salt?
Okay, pag matagal ka na nagluluto, matatansya mo na yon. They
Okay.
call it. Okay, tapos na to. We're all set. We'll have to transfer. Teka.
We're gonna mix the pasta and the
Okay.
sauce.
So, we'll have...
Here na lang.
We'll put it here.
Ito? Okay.
Teka, baka
Konti muna.
this one is
Mix the
okay.
powder.
Pero with the other one, there. So, yeah.
Everything?
No, just
Not yet,
half.
not yet. Half up.
Okay.
And then, yung pasta.
Okay, now you put in
Pasta.
the pasta. Kasi
We'll
para
mix it
hindi
first.
tayo ma-OA. Yan.
Everything?
Yes.
Okay.
There you are.
Okay, everything.
Oh.
And then
Ah,
halo.
Rafa, naalala ko lang. Kailan kayo first nagkasama ni Shara? You know,
Sino ba?
TV
Sa Greece.
or what? Ano?
Actually, there was a period of mga 8 months, dire-diretso yung trabaho namin. We did Greece, tas
Celebrity dance battle.
nag-dance contest
And
kami.
Hari ng Tondo shooting naman.
Ah, yes, I saw that.
So every day ko
Oo.
nakikita si Shara.
Yeah.
Actually,
Na-miss niya ako.
I found out you were
Step
pregnant
out.
nung nag-shooting tayo.
Oh, yeah.
So,
After the shoot
mas
na.
ang hectic pa ng schedule ni Shara, nakakagulat. Kasi ang dami
I didn't know.
naming like work together. Tapos, we just found out she was pregnant. at
I
the
didn't
time.
even know kasi at that time while I was shooting and while we were dancing,
Okay.
I was pregnant.
So, I was like, pagod ba si
Okay.
Shara? Hindi.
Now, we'll have to put it in this Pyrex.
Okay,
Kasya
layer by
pa ba
layer.
dito? Kasya pa
Here na lang
dito?
kaya. Here na lang para kita.
Siguro doon na lang, Rafa.
Okay.
Yan, this one. Okay, that's better.
Okay, how about the Pyrex?
Yan. Hindi, dito nga niya yan.
God, nagugutom na ako.
Yan, it's worth waiting.
Of course.
Yan.
And then we're going to grate the cheese, right?
Oo. Yan.
I think you have to
kasya
flatten it
siguro.
first.
Latin.
Yeah.
Ma'am Helen, paano ko nagiging patient ang bango ng pagkain? Kung ako nagluluto nito, kinakain ko na.
Hindi pa nabibake, kakainin niya na.
Ayan. Ayan, let's make it ano. Okay. Lagyan natin ng konting cheese,
Okay.
no?
Okay.
Yes, get it. Di ba ayun?
Malinis yung hands ko.
Okay. Okay, do it. Okay, great.
Go, Shara, go!
Okay,
Go,
bake.
Shara, go!
Yung malaki na lang.
Yan.
Para mabilis.
Yeah, the big one.
And gusto ko
Oo,
madami.
yan.
Kasi you're
Total,
so cheesy.
Oh, I am
Oh,
cheesy.
there.
I'm a very cheesy
Kasi
person.
mas maganda na rin yung medyo malalaki para mas savor mo.
Yes.
You know.
And remember, I always put extra cheese.
Yes. Okay, now put this. Now,
Some more.
we can, yes. Wait. Put it all.
Everything
Yeah.
na.
I think,
On top, on top.
Oo.
Pwede bang gumamit ng ibang cheese?
Some more.
O ito lang yung...
Yes.
Yes.
Oo, you
Mozzarella.
can combine. Yeah, combination.
Pero kasi hindi masyadong maalat yung
Ito, lagyan mo lahat. Okay.
Please, can you please, Rafa?
Ay, ako na.
Okay, some more. Yan. There you are.
Thank you.
That's it.
You're welcome.
Okay. Itong gagawin natin ngayon. E di nandito na lahat. Dadagdagan natin ngayon ito ng
Sauce.
konting sauce sa ibabaw para masarap pag kinain ninyo. Okay?
Mas malasa.
love sauce.
Sometimes I buy yung naka-slice na. And yun yung pinapatong ko.
To make it easy for you.
Yeah,
let's
to make it
say.
easy for me.
Oh, ito ngayon, haluan natin ng quick melt
Yummy!
cheese, no? Oo.
Iba siya. Iba yung cheese.
Yeah, ito
Oo.
quick melt. Yung pang
Yeah.
yung tutunaw.
Oo.
Mm.
Yung ordinary.
That's just
tapos,
great.
Oo. Tapos ito, para pag binake na natin, maganda na siya. Okay. Kayong dalawa talaga. Okay. Oh, ito pa. There it is.
Yan ito kayo.
Yes.
Yeah, it's
Oh,
time
ayan.
to bake it
Oo,
sa
you will
preheated
start to
na
bake it
oven.
na. Okay, teka. Kasi alam ko, gustong-gusto mo maraming
Can we
cheese.
put everything, no?
Everything? Siguro pwede na to.
Everything.
Naman na to.
Everything, Mom.
Okay. Okay. Now,
Okay.
okay.
Wow, look
You
at
will use
this.
the cup
Preheated natin
holders.
yung oven. Diba?
Yes.
350.
Yes.
Wow.
Ako. Ako.
Ma, hindi pa naman eh.
This is preheated already.
Yes.
Okay. While waiting for our baked mac, let's move on to our next dish, everybody's favorite, hamburger.
Hindi lang basta burger. Double-decker burger pa with everything on it. Let's start. Okay, here are the ingredients. For the beef patty, we have ground strip loin beef, onions, pepper, egg, flour, and soy sauce. Ito naman yung everything on it. Lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mayonnaise, mustard, pickles, bacon, cheese, and burger buns.
After the break, we will make our burger patties and assemble our burger. So don't go away. From Helen's Kitchen, we'll return.
Up next, from Helen's Kitchen.
I just want everyone to know that we all have our own
Our
recipes ng burger, but my mom's recipe is the bomb. It's the best.
Oh! The reason na gumagamit ako ng
Flour,
konting flour
konti lang.
is para lang to hold it, di ba?
Hold it
Para-
together.
Yeah.
Kasi she's very heavily into pole dancing. Kaya okay itong mga patties kasi it's full of protein, di ba?
Yes,
With energy.
protein. Ikaw din, di ba, sumasayaw ka?
Yung ganito.
Welcome back. We're about to do our burger patties with Rafa and Shara. Okay?
Yay, burger time.
Okay, I'll put this here. The strip loin.
I just want everyone to know that we all have our own
That's-
recipes ng burger, but my mom's recipe is the bomb. It's the best.
Oh!
And Rafa, you have to try it. Promise.
Okay, eggs.
Okay.
And then we put our onions. And then,
So, Shara, next time tayo magkatrabaho, pwede magluto ko na for me.
Pepper.
Ganito klaseng food.
Ha, ganito.
Oo.
Hirap naman.
Pero gusto ko yung gumawa.
then
May
our
bayad
soy,
ba?
soy sauce.
Soy sauce.
Okay. And then, I just want to say na, the reason na gumagamit ako ng
Flour.
konting flour
Konti lang.
is para lang to hold it, di ba?
Hold it
Para-
together.
yeah.
And the
Now,
eggs.
yan. Sabay-sabay kong ini-mix. Okay, like this.
Yeah, favorite ni Daddy.
Yes. There. Yan. Para talagang nag-absorb, talagang absorb ng lahat, no? There.
Some people use pork naman. Pero mas masarap beef. Some people mix it.
Well, actually, yes, kasi that's how it's known, di ba? It's known
Yes,
as
but I like
beef
it.
patties, di ba? Yan.
Mama Helen, pag nagluluto ba kayo, nakaka-relax ba sa inyo?
Oo, kasi I'm happy when I cook.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nakaka-stress si
Yeah.
Shara.
Therapy nga sa akin.
Si Shara,
Kulit si Shara.
Hindi.
kayong dalawa.
Tinagong mo ano nga, ikaw lang.
Joke lang, no. Of course, I'm so
At least
happy
dalawa.
to have you here.
Of course.
Of course.
Be here.
Therapeutic sa
Yes.
kanya magluto.
Mm-mm.
Like, she'll give her friends food pa. She has to
Okay,
cook.
now,
Or her day will not be complete.
now, we'll make our patties.
Okay?
Yes. Mind if I wash my... hindi, tutuloy ko na.
Ah, sige. This is the molder.
Okay.
But some people don't have this, mom.
Yes, yung pagganito.
Wow.
Okay, ha?
Diba?
Mind if I do, yes. Yeah, here na lang. There na lang.
Here like this?
Yes, that's how it is. Yan. Lalagyan natin para sukat na sukat. There you are.
Pero may yung iba, pag walang molder, pwede kamay na lang.
Siguro kung merong ibang plastic na cover, pwede na yun. Lalo na sa ating mga kaibigan ng mga misis na yan. Hindi na dapat ano.
Yeah,
yan.
pwede i-roll na lang tas flat.
Yan. Okay.
Yan.
Now, ito nagawa na niya. Test.
Nakapag-mold na siya yan.
Yes, nakapag-mold. Now, let's start grilling. One.
It's my favorite.
Yes. Two. Three.
Pati na ganito.
Yes. And then, number 4. There. After a while,
Gusto ko well done, mom.
I'll make it stronger.
Paano mo natatansya yung ano ng meat? Do you have a
Luto na?
timer or...
No, we will see the color.
Okay.
Pagka medyo, ayun, dark brown na siya. then-
Black.
Okay.
Oo, yun.
Gusto mo kasi
Oh,
well
she
done.
wants it.
Well done.
She wants it real
Ako
then.
medium rare ako eh. Like medium.
Pwede na to sa'yo.
Super well naman. Hindi ako kasi pag gumagawa ako ng patty,
Yeah.
nahihirapan ako kasi never ko alam kung kailan siya kung kailan okay na siya. So, sine-check ko, tapos nadudurog yung patty. Tapos wala
Wala
na akong
lang.
patty.
A little more.
I think it's the fat.
Split it.
Mama Helen, malakas ba kumain si Shara?
In here.
Pag ikaw nagluluto?
Yes!
Yan, ganyan natin.
Super kaya.
Parang hindi kita nakitang kumain marami.
Mommy, kasama ko kasi daddy yung gusto yung 16 na
16?
16
Ay, yes, I
inches
remember
na
that. Yes.
footlong eh.
Oo. Yes, I remember
Paano naman
that.
kasi ang sarap ng pagkain dito?
Malapit na, Rafa. Ayan,
Yan.
malapit na.
Si daddy nun, di ba? Gusto niya well done.
Nag-uusap rin kasi kami
Yes,
ni
well done.
Shara kanina and kasi she's very heavily into pole dancing. Kaya okay itong mga patties kasi it's full of protein, di ba?
Yes,
With
protein.
Oo.
Basta
Kasi
all
nababurn mo naman pag sumasayaw ko.
Yes. Ikaw din, di ba, sumasayo ka?
Eh, ikaw, Rafa.
Yung ganito.
Nako.
Nag-yoga pa yan, ma.
Why?
To relax him.
To be one with
I
my
don't think it
spirit.
relaxes you. Well, at least it does for like an hour. So,
Ito ha, malapit-lapit
si mommy,
na.
twice a day,
Kasi
mag-aerobics
sa-
yan dati.
Kasi sabi nyo, gusto nyo,
Well done.
well done. So,
Yep. Si Rafa
I think-
daw, medium well.
Nakita mo yan, Rafa? Ayan,
Ito.
well done.
Ito
na
well
yan.
done.
Yes.
Okay.
Sa kanya, hilaw daw, ma.
Okay.
Medium
I put
rare.
it Here. Okay. Yeah.
That's tomatoes.
You said you wanted.
Well done.
Okay.
Si Rafa, medium well.
Ito na. Parang,
One more,
Sarap.
one
parang
more
ganun
flip.
na yata. O, ito na.
Eto na.
Yeah. Second. Third. And this is the fourth.
Sarap mo kasing healthy.
There
Healthy naman
you
eh.
are.
I'm gonna eat that.
So, oh,
Try it, go. Get it. Go,
okay.
go.
That's good.
Okay, let's assemble now.
Okay.
Here.
Mainit pa, ha?
Hmm?
Sarap.
Ha?
So good.
Kinain niya.
Sarap. Yung piraso.
Pinanatan niya na yung isa.
Hindi na ako nakahintay.
So let's assemble it there na lang.
No. Kailangan kasi medyo iinit natin
Yung bun.
bread, yung bun.
Okay.
Para may ano dun siya. Tsaka yung oil
Para mas-
makakapasok sa ano.
Para masarap siya lalo.
Yes.
Yan. Titignan natin ng konti.
Kasi ito ba piniflip niyo po?
Yeah, I'll flip it.
Okay.
Yan. Kasi, ayan, nakita niyo na yun?
Mm.
Oh, pwede
gusto
na
ko yung
siyang,
grill marks.
okay. Pwede na siya.
Tsaka maganda rin dito is, pag kainin mo yung burger, hindi
Okay.
lang yung karne yung mainit.
Ayan.
Mainit rin yun.
Yeah,
Flip.
gusto ko mainit
Okay.
yung bread eh.
Na-flip na natin. Flip. Flip it. Okay. Okay.
Wow.
Gusto yung cheese ipapatong natin sa bread? Or sa...
Yes, yes. You can put it now.
Okay.
Okay, I'll do it.
On top.
Yes. There you are. And then, second. Come on.
The mayo.
It's a bit little mayo.
Here.
Yes. Okay, that's enough. Yeah, that's much.
And then
Okay.
the patty already.
Yes. There.
Mayonnaise.
Okay, let's put it. Susunod, ito.
I think Kaitas, you can get the baked mac na. Baka luto na yung baked
Put
mac.
a little.
Ketchup on top of the
Okay.
cheese. Lettuce.
Gusto mo na extra cheese?
Yeah, for me, extra cheese.
Puro kayo cheese, no?
Para double
Hindi kayo
decker.
talaga sa
Ayan.
cheese.
Ang bango ng baked
Okay.
mac.
Charles.
Yan.
Ito.
Let's have the lettuce.
Kainin ko lang
Yan,
ito.
yan.
Ay, sige na nga, kainin mo na lang.
Okay. More.
Onions and...
Yeah, onions and tomatoes.
Ako, I don't like tomatoes on my burger. But it's
Okay then.
Alam mo, Mama Helen, ang
Yes.
maganda kay Sharon is napaka-fit niya, pero ang sarap pa rin niya kumain.
Yeah, matapang naman talaga ako.
Usually mga ibang sobrang fit, maarte sa pagkain, pero
Yan.
nakasama ko
Kasi
na
ako
si...
yung organic, whatever. Hindi ako ganun.
Yan. Tapos, let's
I
have
use
some.
this.
Pickles?
Kasi dill pickles.
Okay, that's yours.
Mine on top. Mom, I put double decker.
Okay.
Double decker.
Yeah. Don't you want yours double decker?
Okay, pwede. Of course.
Now we got appropriate for the two of you.
See?
This one?
Pickles, yeah.
Meron na
I
ba?
love, wala pa sa ilalim. On top na lang.
Okay. Okay na yan. And
Rafa
then-
likes bacon.
Siguro bigyan mo na lang ako, Tess, ng bigger. Yes, that's it. Kasi baka masira siya. There. And then this one.
Yummy!
This one. Okay.
Look.
Meron na, no? Okay na. And then, can I have this? We add
Bacon on
the
top.
bacon on top.
Ay, kinover ko na yan.
Okay.
There.
And yun.
Sarap.
And then, a little mustard. Okay, there you are. Voila!
Voila!
Time to eat. How about you?
Yes, time to eat.
That's it. When we come back, time to eat from Helen's Kitchen.
Up next, from Helen's Kitchen.
Close up.
Sharp knife.
Pakagatin mo.
Wala nang masasarap pa
Nag-commercial.
kaysa sa Bake Mac ni Mama Helen.
Go!
Ano kakalatin yan? Wow! Galing mo, Rafa!
Sarap.
Okay lang yan. Joke lang. Ano, kumusta?
Ang sarap.
From Helen's Kitchen is back. At mukhang handa na si Rafa at si Shara para sa kanilang burgers. So,
Yes.
and of course, we will also get to taste our baked mac. So, go.
Yes. Babe.
Andyan na yung
Here,
burger.
please.
I will do this. Get me this one.
So, dyan na lang yung Bake Mac mo.
Yes.
Yung burger.
Oo.
Sige, dyan na lang.
Parang all in one.
Yes, all in one. That's right.
Ang Mama Helen meal.
Comfort food.
Okay.
Yes.
That's it.
Cheese. Let's go, let's taste it.
Ayun na. Oh.
Rafa, can you bite it? Kaya mo to? Isang ganon?
No,
Sige nga.
you know what I suggest?
Ito muna. Ito muna.
Do it here. Siguro, test, ano muna.
Close up.
Sharp knife.
Mmm.
No, no.
Ang sarap.
Yun. Sharp.
Pakagatin mo.
Wala nang masasarap pa
Nag-commercial.
kaysa sa Bake Mac ni Mama Helen.
Teka,
Take
yung may
up from Helen's
liit. Yung kanina, yung pinalabas ko,
Hindi ma, dapat kalatin yung ganon.
So,
siya,
try ko.
kaya niya.
Kaya.
O,
Sige
tingnan mo.
nga.
O, tingnan mo muna.
Challenge.
Yan. O. Sige, 1, 2, 3. Go!
Ano kakalatin yan? Wow! Galing mo, Rafa!
Sarap.
Tissue! Akin na kayo nadali. Napkin.
Okay lang yan. Joke lang. Ano, kumusta?
Ang sarap.
Ano? Ang hira nila. Soda.
Ang sarap.
Water. Yummy!
Ayan. Dismantled na. Okay. It's time for pabaon.
Andito na yung burger na isa.
Rafa, iuwi mo ito para sa daddy mo.
Okay, pero hindi ko papakita sa kanya kasi gusto ko para sa kanya. Pero sasabihin ko sa'yo na bibili ko sa kanya.
At least honest siya. Yung kay Tita Bebet mamaya na. Nandito.
Okay,
nandito na
yes.
siya. Nandito na yung kay Tita Bebet.
Papa ko kasi malakas rin kumain eh.
Talaga.
Nag-uuna kami sa pagkain.
This is for, wait, I'll give more for
More.
your dad.
Buti ba kayo dito sa
More.
bahay nyo? Yung pagkain. Kasi sa amin wala kaming pagkain, palaging tuyo. Sawa na ako sa tuyo.
Ay, Diyos ko, kaya pala nakakarating pa ng kung saan-saan ang
Alat,
mami mo.
tumataas na yung sodium levels ko.
Okay.
Grabe naman,
That's
nagre-reklamo. Akin na yung tuyo.
Ay, eto pa. Ito pa, dagdagan pa natin.
Yes.
Lahat na lang, okay lang.
O, lahat na. Sige.
Lahat na lang.
Okay. There you have it.
Okay.
Ayan, siguro.
Here's your
Okay
pabaon,
na,
Rafa.
yan. There.
Okay, Rafa, may gift sa'yo si Mommy. Ito yun. Pero ako I have a gift for you.
Oh,
Hold on,
how
I'll get it.
sweet.
Pinagawa ko to, Mom. Sa
Oh.
jersey personalized prints. We made this for you.
Wait,
Yeah,
Yay.
can you see this?
wait.
It says Helen's Kitchen.
Mama Helen,
Oh,
sorry wala akong
thank you.
gift eh. Pero
Naku,
Ito.
Rafa.
Tingnan mo yung gift niya sa'yo.
yun na lang ang puso ko.
Ano ba yan?
Ikaw talaga.
Kulit! Okay, now you
No.
can use this.
Oh, but you know, talagang, Rafa, I would like to say thank you.
Thank you for having me.
Yeah,
Thank
for
you for your
taking
kulit.
time to come here and be my guest.
Ang sarap ng food
Really,
eh.
it was, I really had a fun-filled day or fun-filled cooking.
Thank you.
Oh,
Di naman ako makatanggi.
Thank you.
I know ang sarap ng food mo eh. Palagi kayo nagpapadala ng food sa bahay namin. So,
yes.
when I found out, game, of course. More food from Tita Helen, of course, game ako.
More fun.
I have more recipes to share with you next week. So don't forget to join me again here from Helen's Kitchen.
Okay, food tasting! Come on!
Come on, girls!
Let's go! It's eating time!
Girls, come on!
Eating time!
Come
Let's
on!
go!
Bunny! Ning! Come on!
Burger!
You're
You're not
trying.
going on the burger? Ayaw ng burger?
Yes!
Go eat the